Hey guys, it's Soulxgasms here. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time joining me, please take a second to subscribe, and if you're returning, thanks for coming back. So in today's video, I'm going to be recreating it from my last ad campaign. It was for Rabisco's new limited edition tea time flavor called Ice. It's a rich like dark chocolate cookie with a super minty cream filling. So the look and feel of the campaign was something cool and icy, so they wanted gray hair. So I had to decide, okay, which method I was going to take to get this gray hair. Was I going to go like the chemical route and try to like bleach my hair again and bleach and tone and pray to the gods that my hair actually comes out gray and that it doesn't get too damaged, or was I gonna go like a less evasive route? So I decided to try a spray on hair color. So today we're going to be going gray with this spray on hair color. So let's just dive right into it. I'll be using the Salon Graphics High Beams Intense Temporary Spray On Color in Silver. After I apply my gloves, I'm going to start by dividing my hair into smaller sections. This will give me more control and help with even distribution of the spray on color. Join at the wayside, you go low, I go lower, till we touch the floor. I go fast, I go slower, till I touch your soul. Suck it to me now, release the force, let your love come down. Precipitate, hear that drip drip sound. Splash waterfalls, take a dip, might drown. Suck it to me now, release the force, let your love come down. Before you use this spray, shake the can, then hold it 10 inches away from your hair and spray in short, quick bursts. I'm no fish, but got gills, I don't need no air. Energize a bunny, I just keep on drumming, drumming. Till I hit that sweet spot and then you start humming. So the main pros of this spray on hair color is that 1, it contains no chemicals or bleach, so it won't alter your natural hair color or texture. 2, you don't have to bleach or pre-lighten your hair. You can apply this on jet black hair and get the same results. When I sprayed this on my black roots, the color looked the same as when I sprayed it on my bleached ends. And 3, the application time is minimal. It took me about 20 minutes max to apply this on my entire head. 4, it washes out instantly. Once you apply water to it and shampoo, it will disappear. And 4, it actually made my hair look a bit thicker. I guess the pigment of the dye just made my hair look a lot fuller. Yeah. So the biggest con of this method for me is that it's pretty high maintenance, in the sense that you have to remain aware that you have it in your hair. You can't just be playing in your hair, which I like to do, because the dye will transfer to your fingertips. You can't let it rub on your clothing, and if I sleep with this in my hair, I have to really secure my hair to ensure that it doesn't stain my sheets. But for me, the pros outweigh the cons if it's a color that I don't plan on rocking for more than a few days. If it's a color that I want to rock for like a few weeks or a few months, I would use the other method of bleaching my hair and then using a temporary dye. Release the force, let your love come down. Precipitate, that drip drip sound. Splash waterfalls, take a dip. I like to wash my hair and set my fro for about 4 days before I apply the spray on color, because I don't like manipulating my hair once the spray on color is applied. It can get messy, and because the color is transferable, over manipulating your hair can help remove the color. Actually, the label says that to remove the color, you should brush your hair and shampoo thoroughly. So I try to stay away from brushing and manipulating my hair once the color is applied. I don't need no air. Energize a bunny, I just keep on drumming, drumming. Till I hit that sweet spot and then you start humming. So, like I mentioned before, this dye can get a bit messy, but to remove any excess dye on your skin or wherever, just use a damp cloth or a baby wipe and it'll come right off. I didn't spray my undercut because the first time I did it, it was really messy when I went to style it. So this time around, I decided to just style it with a black edge control to coat the blonde hairs in my undercut. So this is the finished look. I really like it. You guys can hit me up in the comments below and let me know what you think. If you are in Barbados and you are interested in trying the new Tea Time Ice Limited Edition, it's available island-wide at convenience stores and supermarkets. Till we touch the floor, I go fast, I go slower, till I touch your soul. Suck it to me now, release the force that your love come down.